Hello, Six Samurai 1888 here. I'm gonna show you, well, not show, but just show you my skills of solving a Rubik's Cube. So, as you can see, it's completely solved right now. So, I'll just go ahead and mix it up. I'm not remembering any pattern. Okay, as you can see, I have no idea what I did. So then, couple examinations, and ready, set, go. And there you have a completely solved Rubik's Cube. Um, Please, if you have any questions, like if you want me to show you how to solve it step by step, just message me personally. And yeah, thank you.